We need to look at Young Fazo's new song too. What you want, bro? We gonna react to his album tomorrow, cause I didn't even know it was out. So I've been seeing him on my feed for like 2 weeks though. But I mean, hey, I guess that's like one of the flaws of not clicking it earlier, you know. But we all gonna watch it together every time now, cause I'm doing all of this on stream from here on out. But this Young Fazo run. This sound like a jerk beat, but like an old 2000s beat. This shit hard though.
I know I get bands card, dude. Tell me you don't miss all in. Running out these bands card, dude. Bitch, I want no man, cause I really say so. If she don't want love, then I don't want none.
Why this sound like Young Money? Like YMCMB? Isn't he that nigga that cloned himself on stream? No. I know who you talk about. This ain't him. This Young Fazo. Young Fazo, you probably remember him. Well, you probably seen him last year with that how did I forget this so quick? Dang, bro. He be on Max stream too though. But that none of me saying Young Fazo elite. Well, like when I go, I ain't just paying for me. And but on TikTok he had like a really big song. Oh, if I'm drowning, pick me up. Yeah. Nah, that right there. But yeah, I wish I had more of the lyrics in my head, but I just don't. But I do like it though. Also, just a heads up, Young Fazo, like you gotta really listen.
I know I get bands card, dude. Tell me you don't miss all in. Running out these bands card, dude. Bitch, I want no man, cause I really say so. If she don't want love, then I don't want none. Swear it's always on, the reason I don't run.
I can't help but smile, bro. What the fuck?
Want me to Draco. Know that I'm fine, and let that thing go. I'm an angel, I need a halo. You say you're right, yeah, if you say so. It's the fake love, I really hate no. I know I get bands card, dude. Tell me you don't miss all in. Running out these bands.
You talking about W Balenciaga shoes, bro? This shit, like this actually go hard. Like I'm adding this to my underground playlist hard. Like he just like flowing. I don't know how to explain it. Plus, like it gives me old Lil Wayne, Drake, and like Young Money vibes. Like it's hard.
Bitch, I want no man, cause I really say so. She don't want love, then I don't want them. Swear it's always on, the reason I don't run.
No, bro. No, bro. He thought I could like need to eat, bro.
If my killers they on, know where you can find. Let me do Draco. Know that I fly, let that thing go. I'm an angel, I need a halo. You say you're right, yeah, if you say so. It's the fake love, I really hate no.
Nah, that's hard. I really fool with this. And Young Fazo, I mean, some people just naturally skinny, you know what I mean? But I will say though, he should probably stop smoking in order to like really gain weight, you feel me? Type shit. But who knows? Yeah. Uno Flow? Uno the activist? That's what you talking about? Uno the activist? It's hard though. I don't even think this is Uno Flow. I don't know. What do some people think? Produced by me, song is tough. I don't understand a single word. He said he an angel, need a halo. Tell me if you're a man. Oh man. I heard, like I did hear the words. It was just nothing like, yeah, you feel me? Love from India, waiting since 1 year. Fazo on a generational run. Fazo, keep up the good work, Fazo. Nah, it's tough.